So, Netflix is one of the most popular streaming applications out there, and I'll go and show you a quick breakdown on exactly what you need to know about Netflix, how to sign up, all those things. Now, Netflix, like I said, is a video streaming application and service. So, there's a couple ways to get to it. You can either get to it via Netflix.com or you can go to it via Netflix, the application inside of the App Store, Google Play Store. It's inside of like every single major type of platform out there. Even PlayStations and Xboxes, I think, have it. So when you get into Netflix, it's going to give you a panel that looks something like this. So it's going to show you Netflix. It's going to show a sign in button as well as some ways to basically sign up. And you can see Netflix gives us unlimited movies, TV shows, and more. And it starts at $7.99 and we can cancel anytime. Now, there's a lot of different shows and movies that are on, Netflix. You have a lot of different ones that are basically on here. And if you kind of keep looking, you can see there's a lot of different reasons to join Netflix. You have basically TV capabilities, so you have smart TVs. You have Netflix on smart TVs. You have the ability of downloading your shows to watch offline. You can watch anywhere, and it gives you more information here. Now, if you want to sign up, you can start off by inputting your email address in this Get Started panel. So you can input your email address, and in this case, I'll just type in an email address that I have, and I'll go and just type it in like this, right? And I can go and click Get Started. Now it's going to send me a little sign up link or whatever, and I can go and kind of check out my link from that standpoint. Or what I can do is I can also just sign in if I already have a pre-existing account. Now, once you sign in and sign up, it's going to give you to another box. Now, the plans and pricing for Netflix are a little bit, a little different than they used to be. So you have a couple of different plans. You have the standard plan which comes with ads for $7.99 a month. And then you have the standard plan that doesn't have ads inside of it for $17.99 a month. And then you have the premium plan that gives it to you for $24.99 a month. So you have a couple of different tiered structures. You also have the capability of basically adding members. So you can add an extra member for $6.99 a month. And then if you want to do with ads, it's $8.99 a month without ads, basically. So you have a couple of different ways of kind of going through and structuring it. It's still cheaper to kind of do it without, maybe doing the standard way and then charging the person back. I don't know how you would want to do it that way, but you have a couple of different methods of kind of doing it that way, which is also kind of nice to do. Beyond that, though, that's basically how you use Netflix and sign up. You can join Netflix by clicking the Join Netflix button and setting up your account. You essentially watch all your shows and movies that way. You can click on a movie to basically watch it. And there's a lot of different things you can do that way as well. But that's kind of the main way to go ahead and use Netflix. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.